years in mathematics. Okay, nowadays every person change into social media zombies, isn't it? Instagram, reels, notification, chats, likes, comments. It never ends. We open our phone for just 5 minutes. Suddenly an hour is gone. Let me be clear, I am not saying mobile phones are bad. In fact, mobiles are one of the most powerful tools of our generation. We can learn anything, connect with anyone and even earn money. All from one devices. The problem is not the mobile, it's how we use. If we don't use our mobile phones with the purposes, they will start to control us instead of helping us. That's why I truly want to thank our college management for taking a wise step. The rule of not using mobile phones in your college is not just a restriction, it's a protection. It helps us to focus on real life, real learning and real conversation. First of all, why we are addicted? Every swipe, every like release chemical in our brain called dopamine. Dopamine is a feel-good hormone, is the same chemical release when we eat your favorite food, win a game or get a compliment. Social media hijack the system. Every time we think our brain, we have been rewarded. But let me ask you, when was the last time you actually felt fulfilled after 2 hours on Instagram? Did you feel inspired, motivated or just drained and empty? This is what known as dopamine burnout. When we overstimulate our brain with the constant entertainment, we start to lose motivation for real meaningful activities like reading, studying, working on our goals or even having a deep conversation with someone. Life starts to feel very boring because our brain has been trying to seek only instant pleasure. But there is a solution and it's called dopamine detox. Dopamine detox is not about quitting everything and going to a cave. It's about resetting your brain, taking a break from constant stimulation. It means spending a few hours or even a whole day without your phone, without social media, without WhatsApp, without Instagram, just you, your thoughts and some quiet spaces. At first it's very uncomfortable, you will feel very bored, even restless, but slowly you start to enjoy simple things again. Your focus increases, your motivation returns, your creativity comes back. My dear brothers and sisters, we live in the world where attention is the most valuable currency. Every app is fighting for your time, but your attention is the most valuable tool that you have. Take control, don't let your phone own you. Start small, 1 hour of not scrolling, then try a full day. If at least one member of the assembly overcome this problem, then I will be very happy. And please don't take this as just another speech. This is very serious and deeper message to all. Changes starts with awareness. Thank you so much for listening. We do what you love, stay happy because we have very limited time. Thank you.